Jatend jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi ochiwo singo mare ni jopuonj kod jochung' mamoko e sekta mar somo ni piny owacho oseketo thenge omenda maromo e bajet mar hik omenda 2025-26 mageto jiwo sekta mar somo. Kanoloso e skund praimar ma Tande mayudore Malava e kaunti ma Kakamega, Mudavadi noko ni sirkal oketo thenge 25% mar bajet mar bero kidienje mopogore mag somo e pacho ka. Jatelono nodwaro duol mochung' ne ndiko jopuonje tich ka mondo rang yore mag medo jopuonj lemo kama gibiro tok jopuonj manoyuore romono golo ywakgi ni sirkal ojwang'ogi.
Right now, 702 billion Kenya shillings have been allocated to education, which is 25% of the entire government budget. Issues of promotion, there must be a proper methodology, something that you can justify. We want that implemented quickly between the Ministry of Education, Teacher Service Commission, so that teachers can benefit rightfully with their promotion. We want them to earn proper salaries.
I am a teacher right now. I am teaching with a teacher who taught me at Butere Girls. We are in the same job group. Chances are I may die before I'll get any promotion, and it is really a sad state of affairs. We ask that this be done away with so that promotions are not pegged on administrative posts. We have hardly 10,000 schools in our country and almost 400,000 teachers. Not all of us can be administrators. Can we get promotions even without